Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making something a little bit different. We are going to be making lunch lady bars, which is a dessert, which is kind of a take on a Hershey's peanut butter cup. So I'm not normally one for making desserts, but decided to give this one a try. So before we get into our recipe, I want to thank all of my viewers for the support that you've given my channel. And to remember to hit that like and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients, let's get our aprons, and let's make some lunch lady bars. For our lunch lady bars, we are going to need graham cracker crumbs, confectionate sugar, butter, peanut butter, and semi-sweet chocolate. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So I have my graham cracker crumbs in a large bowl. Try saying that 3 times fast. To that we're going to add in our confectionate sugar. Give that a quick mix. Then we're adding in our peanut butter. Try to get all this peanut butter out. And then we are adding in our melted butter. We'll get this all mixed up together. Ooh, the smell on this is just intense. Between the graham crackers and the peanut butter. Oh yeah, it's definitely starting to smell like a Hershey's peanut butter cup. So now that we got this together, we're going to grab us a 9 by 13 baking dish. So we have our 9 by 13 baking dish, and this is going to be used ungreased. So we're going to go ahead and dump our bottom layer mixture into our dish. Making sure to get out everything. So now what we're going to do is we're going to press this into the bottom. And once this is done, then we're going to get over to the stove and we're going to make our top layer. So I've got me a pot of boiling water going on. And so what we're going to do is we're going to melt our butter, our chocolate. And I put this into a metal dish, which is basically, this is my stand mixer bowl. And so we're going to melt this, and we're also going to add in our peanut butter. And so we're going to continue heating this up over the water until everything is mixed in nice and smooth. And then we're going to return and put this over our bottom layer of our lunch lady bars. So we have our chocolate ready right here. I need to grab a towel because this bowl is still hot. I ended up placing my bottom layer in a smaller dish because it was turning out too thin for what I wanted. So now that our chocolate is fully melted, we are going to pour this over the top. Make sure to get it all out. And now we're going to evenly spread this out across our bottom layer. All right, so now that we've got this evenly spread out, we're going to set this in the refrigerator and let this firm up for at least an hour. So this has been in the fridge for an hour and it's fully set. So let's go ahead and cut us one up. Good. I guess I should have used something a little bit better than a knife, but as you can see, everything's come together. Just like a Reese's cup. Same taste, same texture. Let's see if I can get some more of this. Fill it out. Yeah, I should have used a, there we go. You can make do. Yep, just like a Reese's cup. So, this would be perfect for any type of get-together as a dish to bring. So, as always, I want to thank everyone for watching. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell. So, until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen, and I'm going to finish this up.